Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to solve the math question that confuses a lot of people. Let me ask you first, can you solve it? If you think you know the answer, drop it in the comments. Now many people get this question wrong because they use an incorrect method. Here what they do, they solve 1 minus 4 and get minus 3. Then again bracket 1 minus 4 bracket over equals minus 3 and then multiply. Minus 3 times multiply to get 9. But this answer is completely wrong. Why? Because it ignores the order of operations, also known as the PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS, we solve the problems in this order: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have the same priority and are solved from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Most importantly, multiplication always comes before addition and subtraction. Now let's solve this question the correct way. First, solve the parenthesis 1 minus 4 bracket 1 minus 4 bracket over. Inside the parenthesis, 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Now the expression becomes 1 minus 4 multiply bracket minus 3 bracket over. Since multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, we do it first. Negative times negative gives a positive. Now 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Now solve the final step. 1 plus 12 gives us 13. So the correct answer is 13. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like and share this video. It might help someone avoid a common math mistake.